This video, I'm going to do 3 questions from the chapter Trigonometry class 10 based on trigonometric identities. And even you can observe that the reason for why I have taken 3 questions together is that there is similarity in the solving of these 2 questions. So let's begin with the first question. So in the first question, the LHS is whole under root 1 plus cos theta over 1 minus cos theta plus whole under root 1 minus cos theta over 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 sec cosec theta. Well, many of you might be thinking, and that's not a wrong way, that rationalizing this first and rationalizing this. But what we can observe here that these two are rationalizing factor of each other, right? We can observe that one is the rationalizing factor of the other. So in such a case, I go for taking LCM. Well, before taking LCM, I must first write down with a separate under root 1 plus cos theta that divided by 1 minus cos theta plus this is 1 minus cos theta that divided by whole under root 1 plus cos theta plus the LHS. Now I can take LCM here. What is the LCM? The LCM will be the product of these two. That means, so this is, what do you know that LCM is what? The product of these two numbers in the denominator. So one is plus, other is minus. 1 minus cos into 1 plus cos. So that means if you multiply this 1 plus cos theta with 1 plus cos theta, the under root will get cancelled because it will be 1 plus cos theta under root whole square, right? And same way on the other side, you can observe that it should be what? 1 minus cos theta whole square. Well, the square and the under root will cancel each other. So we'll get 1 plus cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta in the numerator. Now check here. Can I write this in a single root as 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta? Well, what you know that under root A into under root B is what? Under root AB. So I can write like this. Now for the further solving, you can observe that here minus cos theta and plus cos theta get cancelled. So we are left with 1 plus 1, that is 2 in the numerator. And below what you can observe, this is applying A plus B into A minus B will be what? A square minus B square, that is 1 minus cos square theta. Now this is, what is 1 minus cos square theta? That is sine square theta, right? 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. And here too you can observe that square and under root will get cancelled and will get sine theta. So this is in fact what? 2 multiplied by 1 over sine theta. And what is 1 over sine theta? That is cosec theta. As you know, cosec is reciprocal of sine. So we can say it is 2 cosec theta, and that is equal to the RHS. Now let's move to the next question, second one. Now similar to the previous question, here too we can observe that here 1 is the numerator of this is rationalizing factor of this denominator, and numerator of this is the rationalizing factor of this. So therefore, we will not opt for rationalization. We will instead take LCM. But before taking LCM, what we should do is to keep them in a separate under root. So this is sec A minus 1 over this is sec A plus 1. So same is here, that is writing them in a separate under root. So this is sec A plus 1 over sec A minus 1. Now we'll take LCM. The LCM is going to be the product of these two denominators. That is, it should be what? Sec A plus 1, that multiplied by sec A minus 1 whole under root. Now similarly, as you multiply this with this while taking LCM, so what you are going to do is you are going to obtain the square of this, right? Sec A minus 1 under root and then whole square. So you can eliminate this square over here, needless to write. And this is 1. Now here too you can observe that minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So you are getting what? 2 times sec a. And in the denominator, the applying a plus b into a minus b is what? Sec square minus 1. Now check what we can do in the next step is this is let's say this is 2 sec a, and what we know as sec square minus 1. What is sec square minus 1 as? Is it tan square a? Right. So this is tan square a. And you can figure out that this is 2 sec a tan square under root, whole under root. Tan square and whole under root is what? That is tan a. Now I can write sec a as what? Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec is 1 over cos, 1 over cos a. And tan is what? Sine by cos. So dividing by sine by cos over here is same as multiplying with its reciprocal, that is cos a by sine a. So check here, this cos and cos get cancelled. We are left with 2 into 1 by sine a. And what is 1 by sine? 1 by sine is cosec. 1 by sine is cosec, and that's how we'll get the RHS. I suppose these are can be done in the same manner. So the third I can leave, and we'll do other questions in fact.